Guys, it's Robert, Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. Went to my Cheins cooking club today and had a good time. Cooked an awesome jambalaya with my stepdad. Him and I cooked it together and we had a blast. It was hot as hell, but I still had a blast. And trying out my new Dutch oven. I cooked on the propane still, but I am going to go switch over to charcoal. I just got to practice at home more. And our jambalaya was a success. Everybody ate it, they liked it, and everything was just real good. So I've got some pictures of my jambalaya, and I got some video that I took of everybody gathering and standing in line waiting to eat. So it's going to be an awesome event every month. And this is the third one I've went to, second one I've cooked in. And I tell you what, guys, with the exception of it being hot, it's just awesome. They're good people. It's a real good bunch of people. And if you're in the Moss Bluff area, and might want to check them out if you like to cook with cast iron. They have cast iron cooking demonstrations, and they start from at 9 a.m. in the morning, and they run till noon. And then at noon, we put all our pots on the table, and they serve them out. And you can get a sample of everything we cook, and just good fellowship, good Christian people, and I have a good time. That I look forward to that 4 or 5 hours every month. It's just awesome to be around a bunch of people that cook and have the same interest as I do. They're just real good people. I can't say enough. But I'm fixing to put some. When I finish this video, I'm going to be posting some pictures of us cooking. And like I said, a couple of videos of people standing in line eating. It was, I guarantee we had about 70 to 80 people there. And we just have a good time. And it's the fourth Saturday of every month. The fourth Saturday of every month. And you can, as long as you're cooking with cast iron and cast aluminum, it's $10 a year to join. They have... It's not a competition. It's like a potluck thing, and everybody cooks on site. Some people bring stuff that they cooked at home in a cast iron pot, but I cook outside because I like to cook outdoors and stuff. And it's at Sam Houston State Park in Moss Bluff, Louisiana. So if you're interested, go check them out. It's awesome. Till next time, y'all have a good day, good rest of the weekend. I'm going to go home and crash because it's been about a 95 degree heat index. 90 to 95 actual temperature with about 105 heat index. So I'm going to go home and rehydrate with some Gatorade and some water. So I'll, like I said, I'll have everything followed after this short video here. Y'all have a good one. God bless.